We've received over the years many questions from our listeners as well as our clients about the frustrations of dealing with all sorts of property management headaches and residential tenants and all sorts of what they call the terrible T's, the tenants trash toilets, toddlers, teenagers, etc., with those properties. And most of these obviously center around the frustrations of owning that type of real property. And so they're looking for solutions. And they often sit down with their accountant and find out if they just sell the property and cash out and pay the tax, they have a huge surprise waiting for them. So one of those potential solutions is to do a 1031 exchange into net lease properties, and we're going to unravel that mystery today. So I'm really excited today to have both a friend and colleague as an expert on net lease properties, Joel Owens, who's president of Triple Net Invest. And Joel not only has the expertise, but he has the experience to guide investors through the net lease property.